Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm D if you're new, and today I'm going to be doing a quick overview of Summer Bay Resort by Explora. The first thing I want to show y'all is these cool bracelets they have. This is what you unlock your doors with. They also have extra security because you have another door that you have to come through, and you have to put your little circle on the thingy, and then that's how you open the door. So we're in building 205, and this is a 1-bedroom jacuzzi suite. So let's get it started. First, come in to check in. This is what you'll walk into. You will use your bracelet to open the door. Then you come to the next door, which I already have open. You open it the same way. This suite is a little smaller, but you can tell they have did a lot of renovations and remodeling in here. Keep in mind we are checking out, so I do have a little things everywhere, a little bit of everything. So what I always show y'all, dishwasher is fully stocked with dishes, all that good stuff. Y'all know I love to stay in places with a kitchen. I see this kitchen is very small, so I would not recommend this unit for a family, but for me and Mister, it was just fine. The little refrigerator, I am still working on cleaning it out. Ice maker and ice. This unit does have a washing machine and dryer, so we're gonna come on into the living room. This bed, even though this unit is small, this is a full-size lit-out bed, so other people or another couple, or if you do have children, they can't sleep out on the lit-out bed. And this is the rest of the living room. They do have a TV up here on the wall. Those doors go into the bedroom and the bathroom. Walk y'all over here. We have this beautiful view. There is double access to the balcony. There's access to the balcony from the living room, and there's access to the balcony from the bedroom. Look at that water, it's so beautiful. It's gloomy this morning, but it's very beautiful. Okay, y'all. All right, y'all, these are the doors to the room. Like I said, this is a 1-bedroom. So let's open it up. When you first walk in, there is a chair and a full body mirror. There's also another side. Y'all can't really see out there, but there's access from the living room to this long balcony. I'll show y'all that in the morning. This is the bedroom. It is a queen size bed. Looks newly, I believe these rooms are newly modeled. A little art on the wall. Let me step back, show y'all. All right, I'm gonna close the door, and here is a closet, extra linen, safe, broom, mop, garbage can, and ironing board, hangers. The couch in the living room is a pull-out sofa, so I'm guessing that's all the stuff that goes to the pull-out. Close this back. This is the little stand in the room. Basic. It also has this nice little overhead light over the bed. It adds a little ambiance to the room. Both nightstands are the same, and we're just gonna go right into the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. All the basics. Let's open this up. Towels for the pool, tissue, extra towels, and this is the shower jacuzzi tub combo. So open this up. So as you see, When you open it, it is a jacuzzi tub. This is our first time having a room like this with the closed-in combo. But the tub is big. Y'all know I love to have my hot tub, so y'all should have knew that this one has extra towels. They give you conditioner, shampoo, and soap. And yeah, this is it. This was our first time staying here. I really enjoyed it. You can rent jet skis. Right outside our building is miniature golf, where you can do mini golf. They have 2 heated pools, 7 pools in all. This place is very beautiful, and we enjoyed our stay. If you guys are interested in Explora at Summer Bay Explorer Resort, I'll have all the information down below. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another one. Bye.
You don't know what you've got till it's gone.